The Acura TL key fob from 2007 to 2014 models uses a CR2032 battery for power. This is the CR2032 battery, a 3-volt lithium coin cell that powers the remote functions. To open the case, gently pry using a flathead screwdriver or coin, starting at the keyring end. If the case is stuck, apply heat with a hairdryer for 30 seconds to soften the plastic. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the polarity with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Snap the case shut and test by pressing the buttons. If the remote doesn't work after replacing the battery, first ensure the new battery is fully charged and correctly inserted into the key fob with the positive side up. Next, clean the battery contacts with rubbing alcohol to remove any corrosion that might prevent proper connection. If issues persist, try resyncing the key to the car by cycling the ignition. Insert the key and turn to the on position without starting the engine, then remove. Repeat this process several times. If the remote still doesn't work after these steps, a repair shop may be needed to diagnose deeper issues like faulty circuits or immobilizer problems.